Today we're going to be doing a video on the 2000 Dodge Cummins. We're going to be putting the Smarty in it. We're going to be doing a clip of it stock and a clip of it with the Smarty to show you guys the difference. And also my buddy Chris came by, so he's going to show us his truck. He did a 6-speed swap to his 2005 Cummins, so we're going to check that out as well. So let's get into the video. The 6-speed swap. What is it, 2005, right?
2005 Dodge Ram 3500. A little bit of turbo work.
G56.
G56 Smarty, G56 South Bend, double disc clutch. That's about it.
All right guys, so we got the Smarty Touch. Already ran the wire. It's running right back behind here. Run it right there. You can see it right there, and then just tie wrap it nicely up there. Tie wrap it again, and it just hooks up right there. And let's hook it up. All right, so I got it hooked up. I put the wire in the back. Start it up. Green. This is all stock right now. I wanted to get a clip of it with stock and then with the tuner on it. So I'm gonna get an exhaust clip, a little rev, and then we can see the difference from just connecting the Smarty. Power level, put it on 7. Duration, let's put it on 2. Timing, put that on 2. Torque, let's put that on 4. Next, speed limiter, 200. Let's program it. All right, so it's programming. This part takes a minute. Turn key off, turn key back on. Turn key off. Now it's ready to start. Level 7. Alright guys, so that's the truck with the Smarty on it. Next we're going to be putting the turbo and injectors in it. So give this video a like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos of the truck because you ain't going to want to miss it. Also, if you guys have any comments, drop it down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and let me know what you guys think I should be doing to my truck. Whatnot, I don't care. Just let me know. So we'll see you guys in the next video.